Ruby allows us to define methods that accept variable length argument lists. And the way this is accomplished is by use of the star operator here in front of the name of the parameter list. And addends in this particular case now refers to an array that contains the sequence of the supplied parameters. And we can then, in the method body, we can call upon an array method. Here I'm using the reduce method and supplying it with a plus operator. So this allows us to call method add with one parameter. It also allows us to call method add with a list of parameters. Of course, you want to know now what the reduce method does when we supply it the symbol plus. What it actually performs is a sequence of computations. It iterates over the values of the addends array, and it first takes the first two parameters that are stored in the addends array and adds them up using the operator we supply here. So we have supplied the plus operator, and so it adds the two values 1 and 2, and the result of this is a 3. Now it takes this result and adds it to the next element of the array, which in this case happens to be a 4, and again we execute the plus operation, which yields as a result the 7. And now the 7 is added to the next element of the array, which is an 8, and so we get out a 15. The 15 is added to the next element of the array, which happens to be the number 16, and we add 15 and 16, and the end result is 31. This is what reduce does on a given array. It iterates over the elements of the array, starting with the first two, applies the supplied operator to those elements, and then takes the result, picks the next element in the array, and applies the operator to the result in the next element, and so on and so forth until the entire array is consumed. So let's experiment with variable length argument lists. We define method add now with a variable length argument list. We use the asterisk, and then addends, and we call upon the addends reduce method and use the operator plus for the reduction. We close the method definition with end. Now let's see what it does. When we supply no parameters, it returns nil. If we supply 0 as a parameter, it returns 0. If we supply 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16, as in the example we had earlier, we get back 31.